Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you some healthy breakfast options that can actually help you lose weight. We'll be diving into 10 easy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Now, let's talk about a common struggle many of us face, finding nutritious breakfast options that support our weight loss goals. I mean, who hasn't been in a rush and ended up grabbing a sugary cereal or a pastry on the go? It's so easy to fall into the trap of unhealthy choices, but breakfast doesn't have to be boring or unhealthy. The truth is, with just a little creativity, you can whip up meals that are both satisfying and beneficial for your waistline. So let's break the cycle of unhealthy morning habits and get inspired with some tasty ideas. Alright, let's jump into our 10 breakfast ideas. First up, we have a classic, oatmeal. Just cook up some rolled oats with water or milk and top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey. It's super filling and packed with fiber which keeps you full longer. Next, we have Greek yogurt parfaits. Layer some Greek yogurt with berries and a sprinkle of granola. It's not only a great source of protein but also has probiotics for gut health. Coming in at number 3 is a smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with spinach and a bit of almond milk, then top it with nuts, seeds, and coconut flakes, a refreshing way to start your day. For our fourth idea, let's do avocado toast. Smash up some avocado on whole grain bread, sprinkle with salt, pepper, and maybe a poached egg on top. It's creamy, delicious, and full of healthy fats. Fifth, we have chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, add fruits and nuts for a tasty treat. Next up is a breakfast burrito. Use a whole grain tortilla, fill it with scrambled eggs, black beans, salsa, and some veggies. It's portable and packed with protein. At number 7, we have cottage cheese with pineapple. Just grab some cottage cheese and top it with fresh or canned pineapple. It's creamy and has a nice sweet touch. 8th is a banana pancake. Just mash a banana, mix with eggs, and cook it up. These pancakes are super easy, and you won't believe how good they taste. Our 9th idea is quinoa breakfast bowls. Cook some quinoa and top it with almond milk, fruits, and nuts. It's a protein-packed option that'll keep you energized. And last, but certainly not least, we have overnight oats. Just mix rolled oats with yogurt or milk and your favorite toppings, then let it sit overnight. You'll wake up to a delicious breakfast waiting for you. I hope you're feeling inspired to try these breakfast ideas. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited to try or share your own favorites. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more healthy eating tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.